In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Telegram. Whether you are using a phone or a computer, I'll walk you through the exact taps and clicks so you can save videos for offline viewing quickly and confidently. Let's start on mobile. Open the Telegram app on your device. Then go into the chat or group that contains the video you want to save. Tap the video to open it so it's front and center on your screen. In the top right corner of that video, you'll see a three-dot menu. Tap it and choose Save to Gallery on Android or Save to Photos on iPhone and iPad. That's it. The video will be copied to your device's media library so you can find it later in your gallery or Photos app alongside your other pictures and videos. If your phone asks for permission to save media, go ahead and allow it so Telegram can place the file in your library. Large videos may take a moment to finish, so give it a little time and keep the app open until you see it complete. If you are on a metered data plan, consider waiting for Wi-Fi before saving very large files to avoid using up mobile data. Now, on desktop, the process is just as straightforward. Open Telegram on your computer and navigate to the chat or group where the video is posted. Click the video to bring it into focus, then right-click directly on the video and choose Save As. A file window will appear so you can pick exactly where you want the video to go. Select a folder you'll remember, such as your videos folder or desktop. And confirm, you can also rename the file here if you'd like a clearer title. Telegram will download the video to that location. Keep the app running until the download completes, especially for longer clips. And watch for any small progress bar or status indicator that shows the file is still saving. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't change the location on desktop, your video might default to your downloads folder. So look there first. On mobile, the saved video will match the original format so most players will open it without any extra steps. If storage is tight, consider clearing space before saving large files to prevent errors. And that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.